The catch is that in order to succeed, you'll have to follow my detailed instructions and simple steps. I strongly advise you to watch Eve if you want to learn how to make $1,000 or more every day. They're all focused on one thing, bringing you passive income without having to work or sell anything even when you're asleep. Keep in mind that the more applications you utilize, the more money you'll make. If you combine all of these apps, you might be making $1,000 or more per day. Before we continue with this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and don't forget to leave a comment below. You can go to DollarClix.com to earn rewards and money by completing some easy surveys. Once you've completed your tasks and surveys, you can choose to be paid via PayPal, a Visa card, a bank transfer, a wire transfer, or a gift card like Tango, Amazon, and other gift cards. This is the first app I'm going to show you in today's video, so keep an eye on the screen to understand them all so that you can maximize your earnings. I like this website because it gives you access to a wide range of partners in one location. Offer Wall 1 Ads, Personal.ly, Peanut Labs, AdGate Rewards, AdWall, and Offer Toro are all listed here. They are all well-known public companies that provide a range of basic jobs for which you might be paid. Once more, this is the most well-known paid survey community. You can participate on your phone by downloading the DollarClix.com app. Now that there are over 25 different offer wall partners from which you can choose to work and start earning money with this program, without further ado, I'll show you all the withdrawals as proof of payment you can see. Currently, there are over 3,000 active users checking into the app every single day and generating passive income, with over $2,600,000 already paid out to all members. We can just scroll down to the bottom to see that there are over 5,000 pages of bill payment verification, and we can see a member from Brazil collecting $10.27, 55, as well as the days on which they actually withdrew their money, the various payment options available, and the amount of earnings. Let's continue below and check all of the usernames, as well as the days on which they actually withdrew their money, the different payment options available, and the amount of earnings. So let me quickly walk you through creating a free account. When you go to DollarClix.com, you'll notice that registration is very easy, and that once you finish it, you'll receive 10 bonus points right away. To register, just enter your first and last name, username, password, and email address. Check the box that says, "I'm not a robot." Agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then click the Sign Up button. Next, let's move on to the second app, Large Ticket Commission. Now that the big ticket commission is concentrating on high ticket, each ticket commission can make up to $1,000. The best part is that everything is taken care of for you, and you immediately receive free traffic and hits to your affiliate links. With just 3 easy steps and the app's step-by-step tutorial, you can practically set up the system in 15 minutes. Step 1 requires you to insert your affiliate link. In steps 2 and 3, you may activate the app's free built-in traffic and sit back, relax, and generate sales. By following this precise formula, many people earn good commissions online, even as total beginners. You can see here that today there were over $900 and yesterday there were over $17,200. I've personally been using Big Ticket Commission for a while and have been using it on my previous old account, though I haven't yet received commissions of $1,000 per day. However, I can tell you that an additional $300, $400, or $500 per month was a very good sum of money, especially in terms of passive income. Now that you've completed step 2, it's time to move on to step 3. Honeygain is available at honeygain.com, where you can quickly and easily generate passive income. The idea behind the site is straightforward. Using it, you can make money simply by sharing your internet connection. As you can see, there are many easy ways to do this with Honeygain, and you can start making money right away. If you've enjoyed the video thus far, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you found this video to be interesting and instructive, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Simply download the app on your device and establish a free account to get back to work and start earning money. Then sit back and watch as your balance grows. In order to start Honeygain after linking your device to the internet connection, you must first set up the system. To accomplish this, you must first download the app, which is available for any device and is entirely free. Honeygain basically enables you to securely share your internet with other users. Rest assured that they will not have access to any of your personal information. Once you sign up for Honeygain, they will start sharing your internet speed and bandwidth with users all over the world, enabling you to help out other people and businesses. You can earn passive income by simply turning on any of your devices and sharing your internet connection. They provide an interesting feature on their website that allows you to estimate your basic earnings. So depending on the number of devices you have and the amount of traffic or internet speed you share, you may see here, as you can see, that on average, 3 devices are used. 2 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, 11 gigabytes. The list goes on and on. The earnings on this website aren't very high, but the good news is that they are completely passive and require no investment. You may drag and drop any of these points to the right. If you get close to the daily content, they'll also show you your predicted monthly earnings. By clicking this blue button, you can access their own website where you may download the Honeygain for free. Next, let's move on to the final app, SlyJoy. Visit GetSlyJoy.com to download the app for free on your phone or other device. Once the app has been installed on your phone, you can use it on other devices. As an illustration, you can see here that there is an advertisement. If you want to ignore it and continue using the phone normally, you can just slide right to return to the home screen. By installing this free software on your phone and allowing them to display advertisements on it, even without your knowledge, you could potentially make some passive income without doing anything at all. And the reason why these businesses like SlyJoy are willing to pay you money to show advertisements is because they think that someday, if you're interested in any of these as well as if you buy something through an advertisement, they'll be able to make money. As a result, they're willing to deposit money into your account and pay you a profit in exchange for following all of these various advertisements to appear on your phone, and this app is working with some of the biggest companies. As a result, you can deposit your earned money or cash directly into a PayPal account. If you have an Android phone, you can download this from the Google Play Store. The software is called SlyJoy Lock Screen Cash Reward, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the correct application. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of my other content. If you liked it, please hit the like button.